Elmhurst Eagles. I'm Miss Madalena, your assistant principal.
And I'm Mrs. Norquist, your dean.
And we're going to talk to you about breakfast expectations.
When you come to school in the morning, you're going to get off the bus or get dropped off, and if you'd like to have breakfast, you're going to line up outside the community. When you're welcomed in by the adult, you're going to follow these simple expectations to enjoy your breakfast.
When you're eating your breakfast, we want you to eat. So you have to have a voice level 0 or 1, a quiet whisper, just with the people around you. Thank you for having that quiet voice level. Great quiet wave.
When you're eating breakfast and you need some help, you're going to raise your hand quietly and wait for an adult to come over to you.
If you're eating breakfast correctly, then you're going to walk to a table, you're going to find a seat, and you're going to stay in your seat. When you have food to eat, you stay in your seat.
We are going to eat politely.
Thank you, Ms. Palmer.
While we're at school, and say good morning to everyone we see.
When we say thank you and good morning and we eat our food, we fuel our brain for school. We want you to be ready to learn.
And if you follow these rules, then you're able to enjoy your breakfast and go straight to class.